Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss why cleaning your engine bay is important, and for several reasons. Prevents dirt buildup. Dust, grease and grime can accumulate, making it harder to spot leaks or worn-out components. Improves cooling. A clean engine dissipates heat more effectively, preventing overheating. Easier maintenance. Mechanics can work more efficiently on a clean engine, and you can spot issues like oil leaks or corrosion sooner. Prevents corrosion. Dirt and moisture can lead to rust and damage wiring or rubber components. Enhances resale value. A clean engine bay looks well maintained and can increase buyer confidence. Just be cautious when cleaning. Avoid spraying water directly on electrical components in sensitive areas. Use a degreaser and a brush or a damp cloth for safe cleaning. Cleaning the engine bay can be harmful if not done correctly. Here's why. Water damage to electrical components. Spraying water directly can cause short circuits, corrosion, or malfunctions in sensors, fuses, and wiring, affecting engine performance. Water can get into the ignition system, leading to misfires or difficulty starting the engine. Damaging rubber and plastic parts. Harsh chemicals or pressure washing can degrade hoses, seals, and plastic covers over time. Moisture in sensitive areas. Water can seep into areas like alternators, fuse boxes, and air intake systems, causing damage or rust. Risk of voiding warranty. Some manufacturers may void warranties if damage is caused by improper cleaning techniques. To avoid harm, use minimal water, cover sensitive parts, and use a gentle degreaser with a microfiber cloth or soft brush instead of high-pressure washing. How to properly clean your engine bay. 1. Preparation. Cool the engine. Ensure the engine is completely cool before cleaning. Cover sensitive components. Use plastic bags or aluminum foil to cover the alternator, battery, fuse box, and air intake. Disconnect the battery, optional. If using water, disconnect the negative terminal to prevent electrical issues. 2. Dry cleaning. Remove loose dirt. Use a leaf blower, compressed air, or a soft brush to remove dust and debris. 3. Apply degreaser. Use a safe engine degreaser, either water-based or petroleum-based. Popular choices include Meguiar's Super Degreaser, Chemical Guy's Orange Degreaser, Gunk Engine Degreaser, and Simple Green, diluted. Spray the degreaser on greasy areas, avoiding electrical components. If needed, scrub the engine bay using a soft brush or a microfiber cloth to tackle any stubborn dirt and grease. When it's time to rinse, be careful. Use a spray bottle or low-pressure water to rinse from top to bottom. Make sure to keep water away from electrical parts. Now dry the engine bay. Use microfiber towels to wipe down any excess moisture. A leaf blower or compressed air can help remove water from those tight spots. Applying protectants is optional but highly recommended for a clean, shiny look and UV protection. Use plastic and rubber protectants like 303 Aerospace Protectant or Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. Apply these to hoses, plastics, and rubber parts for the best results. Ensure everything is dry before reconnecting the battery. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to evaporate any leftover moisture. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Never clean while the engine is hot. Avoid excessive water near electrical parts. By following these steps, you can safely clean your engine bay without causing damage. Here are the best products for safely cleaning your engine bay. 1. Degreasers for removing oil and grime. Gunk Original Engine Degreaser. Strong formula for heavy grease buildup. Simple Green Pro HD, biodegradable and safe on most surfaces. Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser. Powerful yet safe on plastics and rubber. Meguiar's Super Degreaser. Works well on stubborn grease without leaving residue. Gunk Original Engine Degreaser, a strong formula for heavy grease buildup. Simple Green Pro HD, biodegradable and safe on most surfaces. Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser, powerful yet safe on plastics and rubber. Meguiar's Super Degreaser, works well on stubborn grease without leaving residue. Detailing brushes with soft bristles for scrubbing around wires and hoses. Microfiber towels for wiping off excess dirt and water. Compressed air or leaf blower helps remove dust and dry the engine bay faster. Aero Cosmetics Waterless Car Wash, safe for light cleaning without rinsing. Griot's Garage Engine Cleaner, good for mild dirt without needing a hose. 303 Aerospace Protectant UV protection and restores plastic and rubber. Meguiar's hyperdressing gives a natural or glossy finish to engine components. Sonac's Plastic Care revives faded plastics and keeps hoses flexible. Low-pressure spray bottle prevents water from entering sensitive components. Garden hose with mist setting. If using water, keep pressure low to avoid damage.